Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel Try It Yourself, and today I have this review video for this earthquake impact gun I bought from Harbor Freight Tools today. It was on sale, like super, actually nice price. It's like $60 and I bought it. Here's what it looked like, by the way, with the extended shank, I guess that's what it's called. Extended Anvil. That's what the correct word. Before I had this cheapy central pneumatic, and this is a joke. This thing doesn't work for anything. So this one, like a really good deal, and it's actually says, I mean the power, it says this one is 950 pounds, and right here it says that it's ideal for general mechanics, tire shops and body shops. So we'll see how it works. It comes in this nice box. Even has a little oil to set up the first drains. So you're gonna have to buy the air intake end to set it up. You gotta remove this cap. If you run it professionally, maybe it's a good idea to use a Teflon tape to put this in the end, but for me it's like a very occasional use. To tighten it up, you need either 9/16 wrench or 14 millimeters, whatever you have in your household. You really don't have to go crazy tight on this thing. If you have air compressor in your house, make sure that you have one of those bottles with the air tools. And before each use, make sure you put 2 drops of this thing. Don't flood it, don't have to put a lot. 2 drops of this tool oil every time. So, well, this time it has for this preset little nice bottle over here. So I'm gonna, so very first time, I'm gonna put a little more than 2. Actually nice and quiet. It has a regulator, reverse and forward, 3 positions. Only 1 reverse actually, and 3 different power torques forward. Well, I like the sound of it. By the way, just to compare, this one is quiet too. So now, moment of truth. So first, central pneumatic, I have it on reverse. I got it on maximum power. So see how it goes. Well, no surprises for me. I could sit over here all day. It's not gonna even move a second of an inch. So let's see how this new one will work. I got it on reverse. Like I said, it has only 1 reverse speed. So let's see if it's designed for professional like it says. What a joke. Well, a little bit better. A little bit better. So I guess it's up to you. Right now, like I said, this is for $60 at Harbor Freight Tools. I don't know, I think this is like a discontinued model or something like that. So looks like you're gonna have to, if you're doing this every day, this is not the gun. Anyway, that's the review of this earthquake half-inch impact. Make your own decision. Thank you for watching the video. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to give me a like for this video and subscribe to the channel if you're not yet. Good luck.